Question number 1.
She not happy yesterday? A is B was C wasn't.
Question number 2.
They playing cricket now? A is B or C am.
Question number 3.
I a student? A and B or C is.
Question number 4.
The birds flying in the sky? A flies B, flew C are flying.
Question number 5.
He usually tea in the morning. A drink B, drink C, drinking.
Question number 6.
We to the park yesterday. A went B, go C, going.
Question number 7.
The teacher absent last week. A is B was C wasn't.
Question number 8.
My mother cooking dinner. A and B is C are.
Question number 9.
They my best friends. A or B is C am.
Question number 10.
He to school yesterday. A go B, goes C went.
Question number 11.
She watching TV now. A and B is C are.
Question number 12.
We in Las Vegas last year. A lived, B lives, C live.
Question number 13.
The sun in the east. A rise, B rises, C rising.
Question number 14.
He his homework daily. A do B does C did.
Question number 15.
They at the park yesterday. A were B was C are.
Question number 16.
The baby crying now. A and B is C are.
Question number 17.
She a new dress last week. A by B bought C buys.
Question number 18.
We not eat meat. A to B does C did.
Question number 19.
He in the garden now. A and B are C is.
Question number 20.
They watching a movie last night. A watch B, we're watching C watches.
Question number 21.
She my sister. A are B is C am.
Question number 22.
The dog barking loudly. A bark B, bark C is barking.
Question number 23.
We best friends since 2010. A has been, B have been C, had been.
Question number 24.
He not like coffee. A does B do C did.
Question number 25.
The boys in the ground. A and B are C is.
Question number 26.
I studying now. A and B is C air.
Question number 27.
They gone to Dubai. A had B has C have.
Question number 28.
She's singing a song. A and B is C are.
Question number 29.
We already completed the work. A have B has C had.
Question number 30.
He football yesterday. A played B plays C playing.
Question number 31.
She late yesterday. A are B is C was.
Question number 32.
The students in the class now. A is B are C am.
Question number 33.
He my best friend. A is B are C am.
Question number 34.
They going to the zoo. A goes B went C are going.
Question number 35.
The teacher very strict. A was B is C R.
Question number 36.
We in the park yesterday. A were B was C R.
Question number 37.
The sun bright today. A are B is C was.
Question number 38.
She already finished homework. A have B has C had.
Question number 39.
They studying when I arrived. A was B were C R.
Question number 40.
The baby crying now. A and B is C R.
Question number 41.
I happy today. A and B are C is.
Question number 42.
He going to school daily. A goes B, went C is going.
Question number 43.
She absent yesterday. A were B are C was.
Question number 44.
They waiting for the bus. A is B are C am.
Question number 45.
The boy very clever. A is B are C am.
Question number 46.
The dog barking at night. A was B were C is.
Question number 47.
The children playing outside. A and B are C is.
Question number 48.
She not write the letter. A did B, do C does.
Question number 49.
They gone home already. A have B has C had.
Question number 50.
He's studying in his room. A is B are C am.